Good morning, good afternoon, and in case I don't see you, good evening. This is your Flexitarian friend, Tanti. I'm going to show you how to preserve foods. In other words, how to can foods. I don't like to use the word can because it's not a can, it's a jar. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna use this like 6-quart right here, and we're going to put approximately 1 inch of water at the bottom. And then the next thing, this is the simplest thing ever. You can preserve things like jam, you can preserve things like creams, you can preserve anything, leftover foods. So this is the way that normally it goes, but we're gonna turn it upside down, just like that. The next thing is I got my little jars already filled up. I made a cream. So if you notice that it wasn't sealed yet. So what you do is you put the you put the lid first, and then you put the this little thing that goes around. So what you need to do is make sure that you tighten it and then let it loose a little bit. Okay, so this is the 2-part lid. I already have them ready to go. So we will put 1, 2, see how many we can fit in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at how many we can get here. And I believe we can do 8. See? Look at that. Just simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just have to make sure. And then the next thing that you want to do is you put the lid on. You turn it to medium or high. It doesn't matter because we're not really cooking at high temperature. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until this reaches 185 degrees, which at that point this little vapor valve is going to click. So it's gonna go into a semi-vacuum once I turn it down to low, and then you cook it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you turn it off, and then you pick up the lid. Once you pick up the lid, you're gonna hear pop, 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 pop. That's letting you know, hey, I'm being sealed. So I'm not gonna keep it a secret. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video already, it's because you already subscribed to the channel. But for those of you that haven't, please subscribe. And if you're watching on any other social media, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless us all. Until then, have a happy, healthy, and wealthy day. Ciao. Oh, and if you wanna see, wait a second. If you wanna see how many I've done, my disappearing act. So I've done 36 already. I had to show you. So you notice how at the beginning when I open it, sorry, I had to do like a quick advertisement, but you see this? It's sealed. And how you know it's sealed is because there's no indentation on the top. It's completely sealed. I can grab it by the lid. So make sure that you keep on watching for more recipes. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. Until then, sayonara. Ci vediamo. Ciao.